So it's time for a new computer desk, and these guys are nice enough to send this thing out to me. Packaging is good. You can see this thing can be set up a few different configurations. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing put together so I can really show you a little bit more about it and maybe help answer some questions for you to see if this desk is right for you. Now, when you assemble this thing, obviously the best thing to do is really get everything laid out, and that's what I'm doing right now. As you can see, I got a few more pieces in here, but we'll get this all laid out first. Get all the hardware laid out, and I will say it's nicely organized, and they provide the tools you need. So if you don't have tools, they're going to provide it with the kit, so it's going to make it even easier. All right, so you can see the desk is together. We got the blue light chosen, which is perfect for this particular room with the blue walls and the black mop board. I'll tell you, this desk looks fantastic. And another thing too, my son and I just put this together. It's only been probably a little over an hour, and I've put a lot of things together over the years, and this thing was very simple, straightforward. The instructions here went page by page, probably better than some of the other instructions I've seen. Really, absolutely no problem at all. The trick is to lay all your stuff out ahead of time. But if you're looking at this desk, I have not one bad thing to say about it. It looks great in this location. And once we get to his gaming computer, which he sits at the computer a lot, and he's already pretty happy with it, just the way it came out and how it looks. So if you're considering it, I have nothing bad to say about it. This looks like a real fantastic piece of furniture. It's going to fit right in. Also, you can see there's multiple colors. We have it set up right now just to go through the colors, but you can stop it on any of these colors. So if that helps go with your decor, you have that option as well. I just thought I'd point out a few more features on here. One end of the cabinet here, this desk has this panel with all the holes, and it comes with these little hooks that you can hook on here. And you can move these around and put them wherever you like, depending on if you want to hook something on here or not. It's all metal construction. It's got these bolts that go into metal connectors. We got the two shelves in here, which is great, which we don't have anything on yet, but those are ready to go. And I like the fact that you have the space underneath here, and then this upper little desk that you can put stuff on, which is really nice as well. And I will say, all of the tops, the screws that go up into these things, it's hard to see under here, but the screws that go up in, here's one right here, they go through this metal post up into the wood, but they have a mounted metal nut mounted into the wood. I should have shown that, but so they don't just go into wood. They actually go into a metal thing that's mounted already pre-assembled into the wood. So that's, you know, going to be a better way of fastening this thing down. So that's, you know, just a few more features. I like the outlet thing that they provide in the back here. So that helps, you know, organize some of your plugs. It does have a couple of USB ports. So that's great, and that button there is for changing the light colors, so that's easy to do. Just click it, and then you go, you get some blue, red, and you hold it to shut it off. So anyway, I just thought I'd point out a few more things. Now, he has since gone and put a big monitor up on here, and he'll have some stuff on that as well with his computer. So but you can see there's still ample room here. There's a lot of room. This is a nice sized desk, and it's going to just really work out great for him. He's got the computer underneath, kind of out of the way, which gives more desk space. But yeah, it's just it's a solid desk. Can't really complain anything about it. And I think I pointed out those pouches on this side over here. So you have several pockets here. You can see there's a pocket here, divided out here, so you can use this for putting stuff in as well. But yeah, just overall I like it, and that upper countertop goes all the way around the whole thing, so that's gives you plenty more room for stuff. So like I said, hopefully this answers a few questions for you and help you make a decision whether or not this desk will be right for you. All right, so we got it all set up. The computer's in place. Of course, we've got some more things that will go on here and there, but you can see you have ample amount of space for stuff. And of course, you have the keyboard slide out down here if you want to use that. And it has this nice pouch system on the side here. Hopefully you can see that. But very durable, nice corner cabinet, looks nice. Plenty of space, more than he had before. So if you're looking to improve or upgrade your computer gaming area desk, then I certainly give this one 2 thumbs up. I want to thank the company for sending this out to me to do a review on it. It's been a very easy build, very happy with it. So hopefully this helps you out. If you decide to get it, then I think you'll be happy with it.